Hello class, in this presentation we are going to discuss about how to construct calibration curve of diclofenac sodium and to compare its to perform its dissolution profile. So this we have already discussed. So we are performing this practical to become acquainted with the practical aspects of pharmaceutical formulations. So here firstly we are going to prepare calibration curve of diclofenac sodium and study the dissolution profile of marketed tablet. For this we require a volumetric flask, prepared diclofenac sodium tablet as well as pure drug, purified water, methanol, and UV visual spectrophotometer. It is one of the most frequent used technology in the pharmaceutical analysis. The wavelength is 190 to 380 nanometer, which is in UV range, and 380 to 800 in the visible range. And the for radiation needed to be generated, sources required, and hydrogen discharge lamp and xenon are the lamps that are needed, and by this we can determine the absorbance of known concentration, and after creating standard curve we can determine the concentration of unknown samples. So in this practical, firstly we are going to prepare standard curve of diclofenac sodium. For this accurately 100 milligram of diclofenac sodium is weighed, and it is transferred to 100 ml volumetric flask, and then it will be made up to the mark with distilled water. After the serial additions are prepared in the concentration range of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 microgram per ml, and then absorbance is taken out. After that graph is plotted between absorbance concentration and absorbance. For dissolution profile of market tablet, 0.1 normal HCl is prepared, and it is filled in vessels of dissolution apparatus, and after that temperature is maintained at 37 degrees centigrade and RPM at 50 RPM. After that, one tablet is placed in each vessel, and at specific time interval samples are withdrawn and analyzed at respective wavelength. Then for determining calibration curve, this observation table is plotted between concentration absorbance, and for dissolution profile percentage drug release is determined, and then a graph is plotted between time and percentage drug release. So in this way we can calculate we can construct the calibration curve of diclofenac sodium as well as dissolution profile of marketed tablet. Thank you.